Imagine a world where robots and humans collaborate seamlessly. Welcome to Future Robotics. Industrial robotics is leaping into the future. With advancements in AI, cobots, and machine vision, robots are smarter, safer, and more efficient than ever. Picture robots that think on their feet, adapt like pros, and work side by side with humans. Sounds like sci-fi? Well, it's 2025 and it's our reality. Cobots are revolutionizing workplaces, making them safer and more productive. Machine vision, powered by deep learning, gives robots the eyes to see and adapt to any environment. From speeding up production lines to enhancing quality control, these technologies are reshaping industries. At Future Robotics, we're your go-to source for the latest trends and cutting-edge advancements in industrial robotics, ready to dive into the future of automation. Subscribe now and join our journey into the world of tomorrow. See you on the other side of innovation. This is Future Robotics.